Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to also go through one of your competitor sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the Vertex Roofing Contractors Incorporated homepage. I can tell that you guys definitely spent some time and or some money into the site. And so the site looks very good, it's very well laid out, and it's very professional. However, scrolling through, I'm not seeing a lot of content. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did do a word counter search and you currently have 357 words. So I would suggest adding in some more content here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. Now, in addition to having enough content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. And so Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A great example of a keyword over here is roofing Stafford, VA. This keyword alone brings in 260 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a small fraction of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. There are tons of different keywords that you can target as well that bring in even more volume. Up below our search bar, we have Google Ads. And so Google Ads can be a good way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition. They're also great to take advantage of when there is a hot market or you want to promote a special event or offer that you have going on. They can also be a good fast leads option while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up, but they aren't going to be your best long-term ROI. Below our ads, we have our Google Map Pack. So the Google Map Pack is extremely important. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots and reap in all the revenue, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Yext, Angie's List, HomeAdvisor, all good examples of online directories. And so you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses right here, or the 3 businesses that are ranking in the other areas that you serve as well. And be careful when you're entering your information into these directories that it looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation. So now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. So this should be the main area of focus. This is going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of the people, when they type something into the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. Now, in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered relevant sites. For example, if a local flooring company were to give you a backlink and they had a powerful site, that would be a really good way to bring more power to your site. And so over here, I have hopped onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs me upwards of $300 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of good information. And so here I typed you in, and I can see that you have 1,700 backlinks from 181 different domains, and you are ranking organically for 543 keywords. So we can take a look and see which keywords that you are ranking for. So I see you're bringing in the most traffic from keywords with your name in them, which does make sense. However, for the rest of the keywords, you're ranking anywhere from the bottom of the first page to around the second or third page. And so now if I go over here to competitors, I can see other people in the area whose websites are bringing in the most traffic. And so the one who brings in the most traffic right here is peakroofingcontractors.com. And so over here, I have typed them into SEMrush as well. I can see that they have 4,700 backlinks from 486 different domains, and they are ranking organically for 1,928 keywords. And so I'm going to do the same thing with their backlinks I just did with your keywords. And so you don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, you want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so you can go through and see which ones have a high AS authority score. Click on each page and see if you can have your website added. You can go through these backlinks, go through other competitors' backlinks, and then find some more on your own as well. So now I'm going to go back and take a closer look into their keywords. So as you can see, they are ranking really well for some national keywords right here that are bringing in a lot of traffic for them. Roofing repair. Then they also have some more location-specific keywords that they're ranking pretty well for that are bringing in a lot of traffic as well. So you can go through these, and it will tell you which keywords they're ranking for, the position they hold for that keyword on Google, how much traffic they get from it, and how many people search for that keyword every month. And you can go through and incorporate the best ones into your content. And so right now we can take an overview look and we can see that they have 6,200 people visiting their site every single month. Well, right now you have 335 people visiting your site, but you have a lot of paid search traffic. And so although you're getting good results from your paid search traffic, your pay-per-click ads, which is great, but overall this isn't going to be your best long-term ROI. So it is something to think about if you want to try and rank your site organically. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can just email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching and I look forward to speaking with you.